Welcome everyone, and welcome Mahesh Trivedi.
Well, Mahesh, what
Makes STEAM Executive Strength and Life courses the best courses to help everyone achieve their goals?
This particular question, I would just start with in a context of know yourself and grow yourself. I believe everyone has got their dreams, everyone has their goals. There are short-term goals, there can be long-term goals. STEAM executive programs, they give the insights and the wisdom to make all your dreams realized and all your goals accomplished in a magical way.
And what would everyone hope to achieve by undertaking a STEAM Executive Strength and Life course?
Everyone wants certain results after going through this training course and these workshops. So STEAM Executive have developed these programs with 5 fantastic outcomes. Number one is it makes you aware that how your strengths and day-to-day life work together. Number two, you have a lot more clarity to a magical success. You become more aware of the power of strengths you already hold. You make a difference in the world by using your unique gifts and talents. And number 5, we definitely provide you practical tools and resources to achieve your goals.
And what would people miss out on by not undertaking a STEAM Executive Strength and Life course?
Like everything is becoming more and more challenging, more stressful. We all become more or less anxious in our life, and it's a popularly said that tough times might last, but tough people always prevail. So STEAM executive programs are designed to make you confident mentally and stronger than your challenges. So you feel like you are living a life with a great future and a contented happiness and lot more joys in your life and success.
Thank you, Mahesh. Now, if you have a dream and you want to find out more about STEAM Executive Strength and Life courses, you can log on to steamexecutive.com/register.